Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to connect Suunto to Strava. To connect your Suunto watch with Strava, open the Suunto app on your phone, head to Profile, then Partner Services, or on Android, go to Settings, Account, and Connect to Other Services. Tap Strava, sign in, and authorize a connection. Once linked, all new workouts will sync automatically, though past activities won't. For older data, open the activity in the Suunto app, tap the three-dot menu, export it as FIT or GPX file, then upload it to Strava manually. You can also sync Strava routes to your Suunto watch, save a route in Strava, then in the Suunto app, open the Map tab, tap the library flag, and mark Use on Watch. Up to 15 routes can be synced at once, giving you seamless integration for tracking and navigation. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.